Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use negative keywords to lower your ACoS. Let's get into it. In this video, we'll talk about one of the most powerful yet underused strategies in reducing ACoS on Amazon, using negative keywords effectively. While most sellers put effort into selecting high-converting keywords, few realize how much of an impact negative keyword strategy can make in trimming wasted spend and improving campaign efficiency. ACoS, or advertising cost of sale, is considered both an output metric and, in some ways, an input metric. While it's the result of many actions, it can be directly influenced by the way campaigns are structured, and one of the strongest controllable inputs is the use of negative keywords. What separates low ACoS accounts from the rest isn't just the right targeting, it's the discipline of consistently removing poor performing or irrelevant terms. Sellers managing highly efficient campaigns regularly analyze their search term reports, looking for patterns in non-converting keywords and phrases. This analysis helps identify which terms need to be excluded, making sure that budget is not spent on traffic that is unlikely to convert. Let's look at an example. Suppose a campaign has several search terms that all received a single click but no sales. Terms like trail running shoes, red men's trail shoes, and women's trail basketball shoes. On their own, they don't look significant. But when you zoom out and notice that all of them contain the word trail and none of them converted, you start to see a pattern. When this happens across multiple terms, the word trail becomes a strong candidate for a negative phrase. This method of analyzing repeated root words across different search terms is known as n-gram or n-gram analysis. This approach allows advertisers to proactively filter out traffic that's unlikely to convert before it continues to drain the budget. And this isn't just theory. Sellers using this method consistently report improved campaign performance and reduced ACoS. Many successful sellers either perform this analysis manually or with the help of tools that offer automation or search term mining features. There's no fixed number of negative keywords that apply to every campaign, but in general, campaigns that perform well usually have a healthy and growing list of negatives. It's rare to see a top-performing ad group that doesn't have any negatives added. After the first few days of a campaign, and definitely within the first month, it's important to go back, review the data, and begin excluding underperforming search terms. Additionally, it's worth remembering that Amazon only shows search term data for queries that received clicks. This means that sellers never get visibility into all the impressions that didn't result in clicks. So even if a term isn't showing up in the report, it could still be triggering impressions and hurting CTR. By using negative keywords proactively, sellers can stop appearing for irrelevant queries before they even result in clicks. Building a habit of reviewing search term data at least once or twice a month and regularly updating negative keyword lists is one of the most effective ways to reduce wasted spend and bring down ACoS. This ongoing effort, when applied consistently, can significantly improve overall PPC performance and campaign profitability. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos on Amazon advertising best practices to keep your campaigns efficient and profitable. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.